What's going on, my fellow YouTubers? Hopefully everybody's doing well, staying safe. Please stay safe as well. On this tutorial, the only thing I'll be showing is how to disinfect your clippers. I'm not gonna take too long. It's really simple to explain. So I got requested to do it. So hopefully you guys like it, and hopefully, I know everybody done this before, but I got requested for it. So let's do it. So I put the main three, the Cool Care, disinfecting your blades, the blade wash, and then to oil your clippers. So somebody asked me on the comment section, how do you disinfect your clippers, put oil, and then you wipe it out? So I guess they had a question. So I just finished cutting hair. It's already like 1 o'clock in the morning over here in Ohio, and I just finished cutting my brother, as you guys can see, on my JRLs. So I'm gonna show you guys how to disinfect it, but first let me clean it out so that way you guys can see after you're done during the whole day cutting hair. I'm gonna show you step by step, but as you guys can see, I just used it recently, just now actually. But let me show you. Let me dust this off real quick and I get back to you. So I'm back. We just dust it off. So every time that we're done with a client, we always grab our clipper side or our Cool Care, depends which one you got, and you want to spray it, turn it on and spray it 6 inches away, and the back as well. Let it run so that way that clipper side can disinfect all the way around. Grab a clean towel or a napkin, just wipe it out. Gentle, you don't have to be harsh with it, because if you be harsh with it, if you got a towel, those residue from the cloth itself can be stuck in between the blades, and then when you start cutting, it might not cut as well. So keep that in mind. You just gotta be gentle. You just want to take out that chemical out of the way, because you don't want those chemicals touching your client's skin. As you're done, it says every time, and even on your clipper, it says oil after every use or before using as well. So you just put one drop, one drop, one drop, and one drop. Metal to metal contact on both sides. As you're done, turn it on, let it run, and that's it. And you just gentle clean it out. If you gotta brush it down, and good to go. That's what mostly we do, but most of the time we gotta do a deep clean to our clippers, because sometimes those residue can be stuck in between those both blades. So I just got it today, so that way I just ran out. I just got it today, a blade care to disinfect your whole blade, so that way you don't have to take out your whole clipper. If you want to be extra, then you can go ahead and take apart the 2 screws, take it out, brush it down, take out all the residue in between the sprays as well. But if you want to do it quicker and disinfect it, just pour it in on the cap just a little bit, turn it on, and you just want to put it in a slight angle and let the clipper itself do its work. And you guys can see all the hairs going in, sticking out. Just drop it a little bit and just let it drop, and as you guys can see. So that's why it's good to disinfect our clipper once in a while, or at least every other day, or whenever you're done. You get a forgot the name of it just now, but just gotta get a duster, a blow duster or anything like that to dust it out. Or some people like to use those single blades and put it in between both blades and cross it all the way across, and we'll take out those hair in between. But as you guys can see, you guys keep on going until you guys see no hair dropping down. But look at that. But it also disinfects, lubricates my clippers. It also cleans it out as well. And it does more things besides just that. But just keep in mind, you always want to do this at least every other day, at least at the end of the night. And if you could do it every day, even better. And there you go. And as soon as you're done, get a clean towel or a napkin and just wipe it out. Just gentle, you don't have to be harsh with it. Get in between there as much as you can. And that's pretty much it. And it works as normal. I'm gonna do it to my trimmer, my slim lines, with my 245 power clip. Turn it on. Do the same thing. Just let it sit. Take it out. Let's see if it drops anything. And it is. It's not much though. And then you stop it. Dust it out. Want to use a brush, you don't have a napkin, you can do that. Just let it sit and dry. But get a napkin, wipe it out. Like I said, you don't have to be harsh with it. And then to go to the extra mile. Sorry about my English. My first language is Spanish, so just bear with me if you guys can. And turn it on. Extra mile. Go to the extra mile. You know, just go extra. You know, always disinfect your stuff because you know who you cut, and their hair is not clean, and you forgot about it. And you just disinfect it with your clipper. But if you want to do a deep clean, I recommend this the 7-in-1. It will be better. Oil it, like I said, one corner, one corner, one corner, and one corner. Turn it on. Let it run, and then wipe it out. That's pretty much it. There's nothing major to it. But it's always good to maintain your clippers, because while you're doing this, it also maintains your clippers or blade to last longer. I'm gonna do it to my trimmer as well. Same thing. Deep clean. Let it sit. Lift it up, and you will see as soon as I drop a hit. There you go. You guys can see it. Just drop a couple here, so I gotta keep on going. Well, that's pretty much it though. There's nothing to it, but it's always good, especially nowadays with this COVID. We always want to take that extra mile away and disinfect our clippers, because you don't want, you know, let's say you run into 20 clients in one day and you're just cutting here, cutting here, cutting here. You just use the Cool Care. Of course, it does its job, but who knows who is a carrier or anything like that. Or let's say if you got your trimmer Super Zero Gap and you cut somebody, you nick somebody, and that blood spills into your trimmer, and you only use your Cool Care, and let's say you miss a spot. It's self-hygiene, anything like that. You use it to your next person, but you forgot to hit it at one spot. Start using it. Now that blood, those bacteria go to the other person. So that's why it's good to do a deep clean. Look at that. And that's just from my first clipper. Majority of it is from that JRL. And imagine from all of my clippers that I got. And I gotta keep on going. So if you feel like it got a lot of hair already on the cap, just go to the sink, wash it out, pour some in, brand new, and keep on doing the same thing. My seniors, I'm gonna do the same thing. Put it in the angle. This one got a massive too, see? Luckily came in today because I needed it. Now my blade on this one is gonna feel better, lubricated, disinfected, a deep clean. You gotta remember, you gotta maintain your clippers, especially nowadays. Look at that. See, that's why it's very important. I'm not embarrassed to show my clippers. You can see how dirty it is. Like I said, I ran out of my old ones, and look, I just bought it today. Well, a few days ago, and I just got it from Amazon. You see, you just gotta keep on going until it comes out clean. And something that I learned too, if you want to disinfect your shavers a faster way, sometimes using your shavers, the hair tends to get stuck on the blades itself. What you do is get a separate container just for it, pour that in, and put your shavers inside. That could cover just the foil itself. Just dip it in, just leave it there for count for 10 seconds, and it should loosen out those hair, anything like that on the blade, because sometimes we try to brush it down and those things just get stuck on it. And sometimes even we wash it out and everything, and sometimes they get stuck in it so bad that it doesn't want to come out. So you use that. I learned that in school from one of the guys, and I'm like, okay, I learned that, something new, and I tried it and I love it now. So try it out. Put your shavers on the 7-in-1 blade washer and you're good to go. But like I said, you just gotta be gentle when you're wiping it. If you gotta get a new towel or anything like that, because you don't want to put the residue from the old clipper on it, you can do so. That's up to you. If you want to go extra, get your brush it down. You don't have to be harsh with it, just gentle. And that's when you're done. Go to the extra. Once again, wipe it out. Oil on metal to metal contact. Turn it on, off, and there you go. And that's pretty much it, you guys, to disinfect your clippers. Later on, I got a fade to do. I got requested. Later on, I'm gonna do clipper reviews. If you guys want to learn more about clippers, which one is good to go, my go-tos, anything like that, just let me know in the comment below section, and I got you guys. But pretty much for me, my go-tos right now are these right here: the Gamma Alphas, the 1919, my seniors, Gerald's, and Babyless. But like I said, if you guys want clipper reviews, just let me know. If you want me to do a video about beginners, what to get, what to not get, what to start with, just let me know and I got you guys. But as you guys can see, always disinfect your clippers. Always. If you can do it daily, even better. Especially sanitation nowadays is very important to do. But I'm gonna leave it with this. It's a short video. This is Sister Barber. Hopefully you guys liked the video. If you're new, please subscribe, smash that like button, and ring that bell notification as well for more content coming up. I gotta do a low fade later on. I got requested for it. Also, I'm gonna show my other clippers coming from B. Clark Customs. I got like 10 clippers, almost 11 coming from him soon. I'm just waiting for him. He's gonna call me very soon this week. But yeah, that's the only thing I got for now. And I'm gonna try to see if I can do more haircuts from different hair texture, so that way you guys can enjoy. So stay safe and give it a thumbs up.